Why you being like that to me? Save your energy on me. Jealousy is a sickness. Jealous can be cute. Jealousy can be lethal. The way you use it, I hope it will turn me on. But if you're jealous and creeps me out, I'll just take it and leave. Shame on you, you're so dangerous. Wama heke heke mena no apatuna. Kailo akeleve kitangata sino fotokota. Shameful feeling if you're twongo king.